Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force, and in today's video we have some great phone accessories sent to me by PITAKA, who sell great carbon fiber products. Now if you haven't subscribed, go down below and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's take a look at what we've been sent. So we have two amazing wireless charging products. The QI Pad Eclipse, which is a very high quality 10 watt wireless charging pad. And then we have the new MagMount QI, which is a suction cup car mount. Now let's begin by taking a look at the QI Pad Eclipse. So inside the box, we're given the pad itself, a USB-C cable to supply power to it, and then the user manual. My initial thoughts are that this product is really well designed, lightweight and sleek. The carbon fiber contrasts nicely with the white edges, which gives it a really professional look. And the use of 100% aramid fiber is prominent in all of PITAKA's products, making them very high quality and very strong. And this is carbon fiber which is used in making sports cars, aerospace equipment, and even body armor. On the base of the product, we have 4 small rubber pads to prevent the charger from slipping when on a desk, which is a good addition. And then along the edge we have a unique magnetic connector, as well as a USB port to supply power to the pad. This device also comes with a strong braided USB-C cable, which is about 1 meter long and is perfect. And overall the charger provides 10 watts of power, which is about the largest number of watts you tend to get within wireless chargers. And this means that your devices will be able to charge very quickly. The charger itself is also quite compact and lightweight, and it's about the same size as my palm, which is the perfect size to just simply sit on a desk. Overall, I would say that this wireless charging pad is very good. Compared to Anker, which is one of the leading brands, it has a much better design, whilst charging at the same speeds. So overall, it's a much better product. However, Anker does beat it in terms of price, which is the only aspect where it's lacking. So now let's move on to the MagMount QI. Now this is a suction cup car mount which firmly grips onto the window of the car, and it's very easy to attach. The mount is meant to be used alongside the mag case, which is also produced by PITAKA and consists of 9 magnets, allowing the phone to grip onto the mount very firmly so that the phone doesn't drop whilst driving. In the box we get the main wireless charging section, a suction cup mount, a USB-C cable, a sticky piece to mount the product to your dashboard instead of a window, and then the manuals. Now this product has been very nicely designed, as it consists of a Kevlar surface surrounded by shiny zinc alloy, which is very stylish and beautiful. Now when purchasing this product, you have 3 choices of the type of mount you would like. So you can choose a car vent mount, a suction cup, or a CD slot, which is obviously less common these days. Now personally, I feel like the main section of the product where your phone rests has been designed very nicely, whilst the bottom section consisting of the suction cup doesn't look as appealing, but it is strong and sturdy, which isn't too bad. So the only issue is that it doesn't look as nice as the Kevlar section. Another great feature of this product is that it consists of an embedded fan to help dissipate heat, and this ensures a faster charging speed and a longer life for your device. This is good as it's something which isn't generally found within a car mount, and it's a nice addition to help your phone remain cool whilst charging. So overall, I would say that this product is very good. It costs $50, which is slightly expensive, but in the long term it would be far more reliable than any of the other $20 or $30 mounts that you find on Amazon. And this one would definitely charge your device much faster and is far safer. Okay, now don't forget to go check out the links to these products in the description below, and go leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, goodbye.